I'm Kat Timpf with National Review. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has signed a bill that allows law enforcement to jail any campus employee who hears or even hears about a joke about sex on a college campus and doesn't report it as a Title IX violation. The bill, SB 212, gives law enforcement the power to enforce the Obama administration's subjective definition of campus sexual harassment, defining it as follows: unwelcome, sex-based verbal or physical conduct that, in the education context, is sufficiently severe, persistent, or pervasive that the conduct interferes with a student's ability to participate in or benefit from educational programs or activities at a post-secondary educational institution. As the College Fix notes, this vague standard could effectively include overheard sexual jokes. Now, I obviously would agree with any non-sociopath that sexual harassment is an awful, harrowing thing that absolutely no one should have to go through, and that people who perpetuate it should be punished. The problem, though, is that the current definition places the standard for what does and does not count as sexual harassment solely on the interpretation of the person who claims to be experiencing it. If someone happens to make a sexual joke, even if that joke was not directed at a specific other person, and even if that joke was innocuous and tame, and that other person claims to have experienced difficulty participating in activities because of it, then the person who made that joke is automatically guilty of sexual harassment, based on the other person's feelings, regardless of whether or not he or she had actually done anything wrong. What's more, this reality essentially demands that campus employees report every single mention of sex or sexuality that they hear or even hear about, because they have no way of knowing whether or not someone who heard it is going to claim that they experienced significant emotional distress because of it. And if someone does, they could go to jail. This is a completely unreasonable and stupid waste of time. And it will also likely result in campus officials being too bogged down with gratuitous claims to have the time and resources to focus on the actually serious ones.